So hey guys, hi guys, good morning. This is Meet. So guys, today guys we are gonna talk about the unlimited healing PvP tips and tricks. Unlimited healing PvP refers to that you having large amounts of a large amounts of notch apples or golden apples. So the so like to win this fight you need to break the opponents or the enemies armor, and as they break as their armor is broken, then you can kill them. So guys, today we are gonna talk about that, how to in these type of cases what should you do, because guys I have seen this in UHCs, like I've seen this in UHCs, like when I've seen Grazer, Whale, King Chong, Bionic. I've seen these channels. They played like this 1-2 videos. I've seen their 1-2 videos. So guys, first tip is to get the cheapest armor as possible. Meaning, suppose you can wear your iron armor. Suppose if you wear iron armor, suppose you are wearing your iron armor, okay, and you don't take damage. So like, here's your enemy and he's hitting you, but and if you are wearing the iron armor and if you don't take damage in iron armor, then it's the best armor, because the iron armor is greatly available in the world. I'm on flat, so flat world is, but when you play UHZs or in multiplayer, grab the cheapest armor as possible, okay. Yes, so like, suppose you have a diamond and an iron armor. So like, this is the diamond armor. Suppose you are wearing the diamond armor full set. This is the full set, see guys, and you are not taking damage. But if you wear iron armor, still you don't take damage. It's and so it's the best to grab yourself and pieces of iron armor. So because they are still durable, not good as diamonds. But if you find diamonds, please take them. But if you find iron, so like, and you, I think you got my point. And like, then another thing is create backups for your armors. Suppose like you're playing multiplayer Minecraft and you just have one iron armor, and then your armor breaks and you're just gone, dead. So like, the best thing is to create backups for your armor, like having 3 to 4 sets of iron armor or so. And the same goes with the sword. You should get, but the inverted but but it doesn't go same for the sword. You should get a highest possible damage sword as possible. You should get the sword which has highest damage, because if you get the highest damage sword, then it would damage the armors a lot. It would damage the armors a lot. So the best thing is to get a highest damage possible sword in the game. So guys, yes, and I hope, like, I think that access to much damage to a sword, to your armor, compared to the swords, because the axes cut the trees, so like they can damage. If possible, please use an axe. If not possible, then please use a sword. It should be well equipped, like having sharpness 5, unbreaking 3, sharpness, fire aspect, anything. But it should damage the enemy's armor. And once you have the armor advantage, then you can win it very well. And the third point is that use extensives, meaning in my previous video I have uploaded. You have seen that. So guys, I mean that use extensives like flint and steel, water bucket, lava bucket, cobwebs, as cobwebs are slower and the more time the enemy takes to hit you, and the more hits you have, the more advantage you have. So I am in creative right now, I can just pass through. But see this. See. It takes up horrible time. So let it be. So like you can slow them through cobwebs. And yes. And the extensives I refer to like bowing. And yes, please choose bow against a crossbow. I know guys, if the crossbow has quick charge, multi-shot, quick charge, multi-shot, piercing, multi-shot and piercing don't come together. So see, I would just show you right now. So this is a cheating. This is a fully reloaded bow, and it did 4 hearts of damage to a horse. And the same goes for the crossbow. It takes up a lot of time and load. See this. Now let's mount. See, it just did 4 hearts. No, the bow did I think 4 hearts. The crossbow also did 4 hearts. IDK. No, it did 3 hearts I think, yes. Can the crossbow kill right now? If he did 4 hearts. Yes. I think the crossbow did 4 hearts too. So like the bow is the best option. If you have an enchanted, then the bow is the best option for you. And let's move on to the next point. Use Totem of Undying, of course. This is the main. And yes, please equip your armor with Unbreaking, because the even if you have Unbreaking 1, it's really good. The Unbreaking 4 on a pickaxe, Unbreaking 3 on a pickaxe gives you I think the 4 times of the pickaxe. Meaning, if I have this diamond pickaxe and I enchant with it with Unbreaking 3, so like this would just mine 1561 blocks. And with Unbreaking 3 it would mine the 4 times, 1561 into 4. That much blocks it can mine, and you can just save your time. So like that's the tip mainly. And yes, please use potions by I mean poison also I think damages it a lot. When you can, please use poison. Turtle Master. See this. Turtle Master gives you slowness 4 and resistance 3. So the turtle is slow, right? And it has a great deal of resistance. So it's like you have become a turtle right now. Potions, splash potions like see like weakness will also do it. Wither and yes, in arrows please use instant damage too. He's dead right now. No way he will survive it. Oh no, I want to mount it. What the crazy horse. He died, lol. take this. Take this pleb. Huh. So done. I just did it. Yes. And if not possible, it's like not possible to like get backups for an armor, please get a backup helmet, because the helmets I've seen in many fights, in many videos, like they get damaged a lot. Even the boots are okay, but the helmets get damaged a great deal. So like you will suffer a lot because of that helmet. So please get an extra, at least a backup helmet. Bye bye. So yes guys, so guys, I think the unlimited PvP tricks and tips, and I think, and yes, in the blocks, any block, like in this case I am using wool. Suppose the enemy is coming behind, this is a horse, this is enemy, you can just block it by using this. He gets blocked, and as soon as he comes from here, you can be like ready, or you can just shift and like this. I know that was a horse, but like you can just be like a pro, and you can just slap the enemy. Even one hit can save you. You can have a great advantage by just one hit. So guys, I think that's all for the video. I hope you all enjoyed. Bye guys.